Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ENZC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day here on this one, as things were looking like maybe they were bottoming out on Thursday, but then today put in some newer lows here, so some updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do some house cleaning, just get rid of that line there. It served its purpose for now. But the first key update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So the new area of resistance is right there at that red line, which again was the former area of support. And you can see that played out as there was the nice bounce upwards, but then surprise, surprise, the bounce stopped going up right there and then eventually rolled back over. So right there around 0.112 is going to be that first key battleground, where if the price does try to consolidate and then make another go at it, it's all a question mark of not necessarily can the price get back up to that area, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay above it? So you want to keep a close eye on that from that initial resistance standpoint. And then from if the price can push up through there, then from more of the kind of just overarching standpoint of things, that's where you're going to want to keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50 period moving average. But one hurdle at a time, and again, that first key hurdle is going to be getting up above that 0.112 mark. In terms of areas of support, nothing fancy or complicated here at all. Literally just a question of, okay, well, where do the bleeding stop today? And that bleeding stopped down here at 0.087. So for that reason alone is why that's going to be a very important level at 0.087. But overall, yeah, a very rough week, very rough, obviously back half of the week. But who knows? We'll see what happens with it next week. I mean, it's a penny stock. These things can get turned around and make some pretty crazy movements. So we'll see if the bulls can indeed start to flex their muscles or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.